Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I'll be analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position in the price chart, and predicting the possible next move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, put on the notification to notify you when next I drop a new video. In this section, I'll be analyzing the Quant token. The Quant token is ranked 33 on the coin market cap, and its symbol is QNT. Currently, the Quant is trading at the rate of $106. It has a market cap of 1.2 billion and a fully diluted market cap of 1.5 billion. So what is Quant? Quant launched in June 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and network on the global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of first blockchain operating system. Where can we get the Quant token? We can get the Quant token on Binance, or Coinbase, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Coinbase exchange, and any exchange you get your favorite coin. Okay guys, welcome to the Quant market chart price. Yeah, I've already labeled the market structure. So I use yellow for the major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I use red for my minor structure, which is my 4 hours. So guys, the purpose of this video is to know our current position on the Quant market chart price and to predict our possible next move using the market structure. So guys, let's have this behind our mind that after every break of structure we should always expect a pullback. So now I'll be using these two. The green one is for my impulsive move or for my bullish move, while the red is for my pullback move or for my bearish move. So now let's notice something. Market break structure from here giving us this II, and it gave us this impulsive move to break this structure. And what are we expecting? We're expecting a pullback. Market gave us this pullback. The next thing was price break structure again to the upside. After a break of structure, we should always expect a pullback. So price pullback to this point. After pulling back, we expected another break of structure, and price broke structure again to the upside, telling us that the bulls are still in control of the market. After break of structure, we're expecting a pullback, but instead of a pullback, price broke structure to the downside. And after price broke structure to the downside, that shows now the bears are now in control of the market. So now our bulls now become our pullback move. And after this break of structure, after our pullback, we expected another break of structure, because as long as this lower high is not taken out, we should expect that the market is still on a bearish move. So after this break of structure, price pull back again to give us a lower high, telling us that the bears are still in control. And after this pullback, we expected a break of structure. We expected the bears to price downward, and we actually got it. Price went back down, broke structure again to the downside, giving us this lower low. And after price broke structure to the downside, what are we expecting? We're expecting a pullback. But guys, instead of a pullback, price broke structure again back to the upside, telling us that the bulls are now back to the market, telling us that the bulls are now in control of the market. And after then, we're expecting a pullback. We've been on a pullback phase on our major structure. So price has pulled back to this point. So now let's now move to our 4 hour time frame. Let's know our position on our minor structure. So guys, remember on our lower time frame we just saw market broke structure to the upside, but now on our major time frame market is on a pullback phase. But on our lower time frame, market broke structure to the downside, and what do we expect? We expect a pullback. So this is our pullback. What do we expect after a pullback? As long as this II is not taken out, we should know that price will continue going down. So price came to this point and broke structure again to the downside. And after price broke structure to the downside, what do we expect? We expect a pullback. And sure, market gave us the pullback. And after this pullback, what do we expect? As long as this lower high is not taken out, we should expect another break of structure, meaning the bears are still in control of the market. And what do we see? We saw another break of structure. Price broke structure again to the downside, giving us another lower low. And after this lower low, what do we expect? We expect that after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. Price pull back to this point to give us another lower high. And after the lower high, what do we see again? you saw a break of structure, price break structure again to the downside to give us another lower low, telling us that the bears are now in full control of the market. And after this break of structure, what do you expect? We expect a pullback. So currently now, price is pulling back. So guys, to the $1 million question, what's our current position on Quant's market price? Yeah, on our major structure, we just saw price broke structure to the upside, and after price breaking structure to the upside, we're on a pullback phase. Sure, we've been seeing the pullback, but the big question is, do you think price will get to this demand zone and go back, continue breaking structure to the upside, or do you think price will continue coming down from this demand zone to get to the major demand zone? And on our lower time frame, what are we seeing? We've seen price breaking structure to the downside. We're on a demand zone on the minor structure. After price break structure, after getting to this demand zone, what do you think? Do you think price, after getting to this demand zone, will rally back up to this supply zone and come back to break this major structure? Or what do you think? Or do you think price won't get to the supply zone? From this point, price will push down and get to this demand zone and break this demand zone. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, and put on the notification anytime I drop a new video.